Hi, I'm Mike Filsaime. I'm the co-founder of Groovesell, and we have a question for you. Why, in the last 60 days, have over 75,000 users made the switch to Groovesell? We're about to tell you why.
Hey, and I'm John Quinetta, Mike's partner and co-founder. You know what? Those incredible numbers, they don't stop there. You see 43,122 members in just the last 30 days.
And precisely 15,719 joined Groove in the last 7 days.
And just yesterday, over 2,500 people joined Groove.
And if you're doing the math, that's exponential growth, making us the fastest growing landing page and marketing funnel builder on the planet.
But not only that, recently we passed 100,000 users, making us number one, with over 1 million users projected in 2021.
So that means we've surpassed the leading brand. You know the name.
And check this out. In the last 60 days, Groove went from a $3 million a year company to over $35 million. And in 2021, at this growth rate, we're going to smash the $100 million mark.
So you may be asking, how in the world did we become number one so fast? Well, it's simple. For what the other guys are charging you up to $99 or even $299 a month, we're giving you for free. And not only that, our platform is light years ahead of their old, clunky, outdated technology.
We're better, easier to use, and we're free. Look, don't take our word for it. Look what our users have to say.
And today, you can get lifetime access to Groove pages for free, and you don't even need a credit card. In fact, you'll never need a credit card to use Groove pages.
And it gets better. You don't just get Groove pages, you get Groovesell to sell your products. And Groovesell is better and more powerful than any other sales and affiliate platform on the market today. You have to see it to believe it.
So you may be asking, what makes Groovesell different? Groove is a technology company that wants to help you with your marketing. Those other companies are marketing companies that want to help you with your technology. You see, a marketing company, after you become a customer, they wake up every day, show up in your Facebook feed, trying to find out how they can sell you more products. You may have seen that. Not at Groovesell. We focus on making our education free. You see, when we wake up every day, all of our founders, we talk to our developers, and we focus not on getting more money out of our existing customers, but on how we can improve our platform.
And check this out. Each week, we're paying over $250,000 to our affiliates. And the best part is, when you join today for free, you become an instant affiliate, and we pay weekly commissions.
So what are you waiting for? Look, we could show you a demo video of Groovesell, but why don't you check it out for yourself? It's free.
And remember, no credit card is ever needed.
So just fill out the form on this page and create your free Groovesell account and get free lifetime access to Groove pages and Groovesell.
And we'll see you on the inside.